Here we've got Motorola G50, and let me show you how to simulate color space on this device, how to check some particular color palette. So first of all, reach Settings, go to System and Enroll Advanced. Click on Developer Options then and scroll down, almost to the very bottom. And here you will be able to find Simulate Color Space right here, mark it, and you can pick monochromacy, then red-green the first option, red-green and different palette, and the last one is blue-yellow. So this is how you can manage your screen colors. If you'd like to go back to default setup, just mark Simulate Color Space again and pick Disabled. So this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.